Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up NOKIA XR21 for a senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Then we can find the accessibility options. Here there's display size and the text. You can adjust the font size, and the bigger it is, the better it is to see it. Then there's display size, which changes the size of icons and buttons. So I increased it to the maximum. Then we have bold text. If you activate it, as you can see, the text becomes much thicker. Then there's high contrast text, which makes it more readable. So after we enabled all of these options, we can move on to color and motion. And here I would suggest to remove animations. It reduces the motion sickness while you're using this device. There's magnification options that we can activate, and that shows up this loop button. And when you click on it, you can zoom in onto the screen, just like that. If you want to zoom out, simply double click on your, okay, this doesn't work, so click on this loop icon again and it should zoom out. Next thing we want to do is scroll all the way down inside the settings and enter system. Here select gestures, and then there's a system navigation, and I would recommend to use 3 buttons. It's much easier when you have 3 buttons instead of a gestures navigations. And while we're here, we can also disable all of the gestures, as they might be annoying when you use your phone and sometimes you open something that you didn't want to. And that's probably all of the settings that I would recommend to change for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.